Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from Dare to Be Creative, and I am here with the haul from Tuesday morning. This is the old haul. Just hadn't had a chance to videotape it. This was probably the week when they had the 25% off the clearance. So a couple of weeks ago. I did get this, and Make It Pretty Hide to Swap desktop display. It is basically a calendar. And you can put your own pages in it. You can use it as a scrap of memorabilia, like a Project Life type of thing. You can decorate it kind of you want. It has an acrylic block right there that sits on your desk, and you just flip it. You can do it however you want to for important events, kind of like a memory deck. You can use it as a real calendar as well. But I don't know, I got that. I thought that might be nice. Some desk, just a decorative piece. Let me take it back. Still debating. I did get this Project Life. I don't need any more sheet protectors, but these were the ones with the extra flap on the side. So not only is it regular 12 by 12, but it's an extension at the top or the side of additional flaps. So like when you have more than the 12 by 12 layout, but you have a little bit extra, it's attached to flap. So I got that. And the rest of the stuff is all on clearance. Well, this wasn't, and I think I already had this, so this will be going back. They had all the jelly bean stuff out. And this is the one with the circled hot air balloon, but I'm pretty sure this one I already had. So I need to take that one back. And I have two of these. That's probably in my other bag. But anyway, these are the Vicky Booten, pastels. The crayons, I'm sorry. I said pastels, but they're crayons. And they were on clearance with 25% off. This has been around for a while. Tapping to Hold. Again, it was on clearance. Already 60% off with another. These were 60% off with another 25% off. So they were cheap. So when I got those, and those dies, so there's 3 dies in there. I got this die set. Well, this was 40% off with 25% off. Crossbars and everything rang up wrong, and I have to catch them every single time when they do the 25% off sale. And nobody else noticed it, but I have that happen quite frequently. It only takes off the sticker; it doesn't take off the additional 25. But I'm good at math. I'm good at my feet quick. So yeah, had to go back and say nope. And they said yep. I said nope. Go back, pull out your calculator. Of course, none of my stuff rang up right. Not one. So these were 60% off with additional 25 as well. But I think these going back too because I already had this one with the stamp and the die. And these I was just checking because I knew I had some extra stamps, but didn't see these two. So unless I'm gonna look real quick on internet and see if I can find real cheap with the stamps. If I can't find the stamps, then these two will go back. But anyway, that's the size of them. Letterpress. Again, these are real cheap because it was 60 and 25 off of these, off of $3. This is the Whimsy invite, and this is the formal invite to go with the letterpress. I ended up buying this twice. I already had this one, so I'm taking this one back. And this is the Home Spellbinder. It says, this home is built on love. So that has to go back. And then this one. And this one says, what's the name of this one? Beauty and Elegance. And again, these are really good prices. With the additional 25% off. So that's one of the Quilling Flowers. This wasn't on sale, but I finally wanted to get this. Like every time it came in, I didn't get it, but I thought I was gonna finally get it. But this is the stainless steel palette knives, and all the different sizes. So a 5-piece set. And then she gave me this because she knows me. I'm always in the store. And this she had, I guess it fell apart and they couldn't sell it because the box was crushed or whatever. She said, you want this? It's all the pieces right here. But the box was decimated. So she just gave me that. So I have a little album that I can put together. So I will do that. Yeah. I'm trying to see who this was by. Doesn't say. But anyway, so it's nice the pages are already cut. So anyway, that is my TM haul. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care, God bless. Bye-bye.